In this shot, I'm currently standing exactly 20 meters away from the camera.
And if you can hear me clearly, then that means it works. You can see that it's working right now because of this showing on the screen.
If you can hear my voice clearly, then the tech industry has something serious to talk about. And this tiny box has officially the most overpowered microphone I've ever seen in my life. So welcome back to iFLYTEK, and if you've been watching this channel, you know that we love to test gadgets that push the boundaries. Today we are looking at the new iFLYTEK AI Recorder S6. On paper they call this an AI meeting assistant, but after spending some time with it, I genuinely feel that James Bond could use this gadget. They claim to have a 20-meter pickup range, real-time interpretation, and an onboard AI that completely deletes the need to take notes ever again. It is designed to essentially let you AFK your real life, but it costs $469. Is a dedicated voice recorder actually worth the price of an Asus or Ally? I tested it, and I have some brutally honest thoughts. Let's talk about the hardware, because the build quality here is insanely good. We are talking about an aviation-grade aluminum body paired with a fluorite glass panel. It feels incredibly premium and sturdy in the hand. It weighs around 200 grams, and it's a bit thicker than your average smartphone. The smaller form factor makes it incredibly pocketable. It slides right into a backpack or purse without a second thought. As you turn on, you will notice the screen. It's clear and responsive, but it's on the smaller side, and there are some noticeably thick bezels all around it. But before you jump into comments and call it a bad design, these bezels are actually housing a secret weapon. They hide 8 microphone array. They feature 2 directional and 6 omnidirectional mics. Inside the thick chassis there is a 3010 mAh battery. Because it's not pushing gaming graphics like a traditional smartphone, the battery lasts forever. It can handle up to 25 hours of continuous recording, and it sits on standby for a whole 80 days. So about that 20-meter recording claim from the intro, yeah, it's completely real. I stood incredibly far, I spoke with a low voice, and the S6 managed to capture what I said like I was right next to it. For large events or massive lecture halls, this is a cheat code. But recording is only half the battle. AI transcription is where it gets interesting. I'm gonna get a bit technical here. It detects multiple speakers at the same time, but the way it does this, it uses multi-channel speaker differentiation to separate them. That means it is incredibly precise. However, here is a reality check. While transcribing works really well, it does take a while to process your recording. It could take up to a few minutes depending on the length. It is not instantaneous, so you do have to be patient. Also, right now the interpretation has support for Chinese, English, Korean, Japanese, and Russian perfectly. But I really do hope they push a new software update that would include more white-spoken languages, like my own language, Arabic. Well, a while back I did review another AI translator, but consider this the AI Translator 2.0 because of this feature I'm about to tell you. The real-time subtitle feature is actually fantastic. You can record using the camera, and whoever is speaking, it will give you live translated subtitles right in the video on the screen. And you can actually go offline because it supports 5 languages without the need for you to connect to Wi-Fi. So I know that feature that I just talked about implies that the device has a camera, but don't buy this expecting to take amazing selfies. But the camera can also be used on a different feature on this device. This feature is optical character recognition, or OCR. So I tested the OCR to pull the text from an image. While it's highly accurate, it is a little bit slow. It takes around 30 seconds to fully detect the text from an image. So this compared to modern smartphones, which can actually capture the text from an image almost instantly. So you'll definitely feel that delay there. So you have to treat it as a scanner rather than a mobile phone camera. But here is the ultimate payoff that makes this device make sense. Once your recording is done, the built-in AI assistant goes to work. It generates a full summary, pulls out keywords, highlights the speaker, and even makes a to-do list based on what was said. And because of the multi-device sync, this will share across your phone, your computer, and tablet. And if you are worried about privacy with an AI listening to everything, they built in hardware encryption. It features triple protection with a lock screen password, file encryption, and one device, one key binding. That means nobody is hacking to your audio files. So the final verdict, $469 is a lot of money, but here is the math. AI tools that actually transcribe meetings charge you around $20 monthly. iFLYTEK is the only AI recorder in the world that gives you a 5-year membership plan. You buy the hardware and the heavy lifting of AI is covered for half a decade. So if you want to record a quick voice memo, just use your phone. But if you're a student sitting in massive lecture halls, a professional who hates typing notes, or someone who travels and needs real-time translation, this piece of tech is a powerhouse. It has few speed bumps with the camera and the processing time, but the microphone hardware is truly next level. And let me know, what do you think of this tech? See you in the next one.